Hey, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, Leo. You got here early.
Yeah, I didn't want you to wait for me. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm really excited about our shopping day.
Me too. I haven't been to this mall in a long time.
Really? I thought you came here often.
Not really. I usually shop online, but sometimes it's nice to walk around and look at things in person.
I agree. Shopping at a mall feels different. You can see the products, try things on, and enjoy the whole experience.
So, what are you looking for today?
I want to find a new jacket and maybe a pair of shoes. How about you?
I need some new clothes too. My old jacket is getting a little worn out.
You always wear the same jacket.
I know. It's comfortable, but I think it's time for a change.
That's a good reason to go shopping.
Do you have any stores you want to visit first?
Maybe the clothing stores. I want to look at some new styles.
Sounds good. We can start there and explore the rest of the mall later.
Perfect. I don't want to rush today. I just want to enjoy our time here.
Same here. We can take our time and look around.
That's the best way to shop.
By the way, have you been here since they renovated the mall?
No, I haven't. Did they change a lot?
Yes, they added some new stores and made the entrance bigger.
Nice. Let's take a look around before we start shopping.
Good idea. Look, the entrance looks really modern.
You're right. I like the design and the decorations.
It already feels like a fun day.
Let's go inside.
Wow, this mall is bigger than I expected.
Me too. There are so many stores here.
Do you usually make a shopping list before you come to a mall?
Sometimes, if I need something specific, I make a list. But today I just want to explore.
I like that. Sometimes it's more fun when you don't have a strict plan.
Exactly. You can discover new stores and find unexpected things.
Look at that store window. The display is really nice.
It is. A good display always makes people want to walk inside.
That's probably the whole purpose.
Of course. Stores know how to get our attention.
Have you ever bought something just because the display looked amazing?
Yes, more than once. Sometimes I don't even need the item.
Really? What did you buy?
A cute coffee mug and some decorations for my room.
Those things are hard to resist.
They are. Small things can make your home feel nicer.
Let's check the mall map. I want to make sure we don't miss any interesting places.
Good idea. The clothing stores are on the second floor.
Great. Let's take the escalator.
I love walking around big malls. There's always something new to see.
Look over there. There's a bookstore and a coffee shop next to each other.
That sounds perfect. We have to visit them later.
That's probably the whole purpose.
Of course. Stores know how to get our attention.
Here we are. This is one of my favorite clothing stores.
Nice choice. It looks like they have a lot of new arrivals this season.
I know. I always find something here. The prices are usually reasonable too.
Let's see what they have today.
Look at this jacket. What do you think of this?
I really like the color. It looks simple but nice.
I think so too. It's not too bright and not too dark.
That kind of color goes with almost anything you own.
Exactly. I can wear it with jeans or with dress pants.
The material looks warm too. It should be great for this season.
Should I try it on?
Yes, go ahead. It looks like it might fit you well.
I hope they have my size.
There's only one way to find out.
I usually wear a medium, but sometimes it depends on the brand.
That's true. Sizes can be different from store to store.
Let's ask someone who works here just to be sure. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a medium?
Let me check for you. One moment, please.
Thank you. Take your time.
Yes, we have a medium in stock. Here you go.
Great. Thank you so much.
The fitting room is right over there, on your left.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Let me know if you need a different size.
They had my size. I'm going to try it on.
Okay, I'll wait here and look at these shirts. Leo, before you go, what do you think of these jeans?
They look nice. Not too tight, not too loose.
I like jeans that are comfortable but still look good.
Same here. I don't like anything too tight around the waist.
These ones look like they have a relaxed fit.
That style looks comfortable for walking around all day.
Do you have this in a different size, do you think?
There should be more sizes on that shelf near the mirror.
Should we both try something on then?
Sure, I already have this jacket. Let's go to the fitting room together.
Okay, I'll grab these jeans and a shirt too.
Do you want to grab a different color too, just in case?
Good idea. I'll take this gray one and this blue one.
Smart. It's always better to compare a few options in the fitting room. Okay, I'm coming out. How does it look?
Wow, it fits perfectly.
Really? It feels comfortable too. It's not too tight around the shoulders.
Turn around, let me see it from the back.
Am I a model now?
Just for a minute. Yes, the style really suits you.
I like this color. I think I'll get it.
Good choice. Now it's my turn.
Take your time. I'll wait here by the mirror.
Okay, what do you think?
I think it's a little too big around the waist.
You're right. It doesn't feel very comfortable either.
There's a smaller size on the shelf. Let me get it for you.
Thanks. That's really kind of you. How about now? Does this size look better?
Much better. This one suits you better.
I agree. I feel more comfortable in this size, and it looks better too.
The color matches your shirt as well.
You're right. I didn't even notice that.
Great. Should we go pay for these?
Yes, let's do that. I'm happy with what we found today.
Me too. It didn't take too long to find something we both like.
That's the best kind of shopping trip.
Now, let's check out the shoe store.
Good idea. I need a new pair of sneakers for walking.
These look comfortable. What do you think?
They do. Are they good for walking long distances?
I think so. The sole looks soft and thick.
I need something simple, not too colorful.
What about these white sneakers? They look simple and clean.
Oh, I like these. They would go with almost every outfit.
I think they're a popular style right now too.
How much are they? I hope they're not too expensive.
Let's check the price tag. It looks pretty reasonable.
That's not bad at all. Let's ask if they have your size.
Good idea. Sometimes popular styles sell out quickly.
Especially in common sizes like yours.
Excuse me, can I try these on?
Of course. What size do you need?
Size 9, please.
One moment. Let me check in the back for you. Here you go. This is a size 9.
Thank you.
Take your time. There's a bench right there if you want to sit down.
Thanks, I will.
They feel really comfortable. My feet don't feel tight at all.
That's a good sign. Can you walk around a little?
Sure. Yeah, they feel great. I think I'll get these.
What about me? I like these boots over here.
They look nice, but they are a little expensive.
I know, but they look great, and they will probably last a long time.
Then go for it.
Okay, I will. I've wanted a pair of boots like this for a while.
They're a good choice for winter too.
Exactly. I can wear them with almost anything, even dresses.
Let's go pay for everything at the counter.
Can I pay by card here, or is it cash only?
I think most stores in this mall accept cards.
Plus, we can keep the receipt in case we need to return anything later.
Good thinking. I always forget to keep receipts, and then I regret it later.
Let's visit the bookstore next.
I love bookstores. I could spend hours here.
I know. You always say that.
It's true. There are so many interesting books, and I never know where to start.
Look at this one. This looks interesting.
What is it about?
It's a novel about traveling around the world. The story looks exciting.
That sounds fun. I want to read more this year.
Same here. I usually just read magazines or news online.
Maybe you should try a novel this time. It's a nice way to relax.
Maybe I'll buy this one then.
Look, they also have nice notebooks and planners over there.
I need a new planner. Mine is almost full.
This one looks simple and useful. I like the cover.
I like it too. I'll get this planner.
Writing things down really helps me stay organized every week.
Me too. I always forget things if I don't write them down.
Same here. A good planner makes a big difference.
Okay, let's pay for these before we forget.
This bookstore always has such a calm, quiet feeling.
It does. I could actually stay here a lot longer than planned.
Emma,
I need to find a gift for my friend's birthday.
Oh, that's right. When is the birthday?
This weekend. I still don't know what to get her.
What does your friend like?
She likes simple things, nothing too fancy or too big.
What about this candle? It smells really nice.
This might be a good choice. It looks simple, but nice.
I think she'll like it. The scent is really relaxing, too.
Yeah, me too. It feels special without being expensive.
Do you want to get a card, too?
Good idea. A birthday card would be a nice touch.
There's a small shop near the entrance with cards and gift packages.
Let's go there after we finish here.
Do you want to wrap it here, or will you do it at home?
I think I'll ask them to wrap it. It always looks better than my wrapping.
That's probably a good idea.
This will be a really nice gift.
I'm sure she will love it. You always choose thoughtful gifts.
Thanks. I think choosing a gift is easier when you know the person well.
True. It also helps to have a friend like me giving advice.
Of course. I always need your opinion when I shop.
That's what friends are for. I'm glad I could help you decide.
I'm getting a little tired. Let's take a break.
Good idea. Shopping is fun, but it's exhausting.
I need something to drink.
There's a coffee shop right there. Let's sit down for a while.
Perfect. I could use a coffee right now.
This is nice. I like taking a break like this.
Me too. So, what did you like the most today?
I think the clothing store was my favorite.
Same here. I got a new jacket and new shoes.
And I found a jacket, new jeans, and these boots.
We did a lot of shopping today.
We did. That was a good idea coming here.
I feel relaxed now, and my bags aren't too heavy yet.
Should we visit any other stores after this?
Maybe just the food court. I'm getting hungry too.
Me too. Let's finish our coffee first.
No rush. Let's just enjoy sitting here for a bit.
I agree. This has been such a nice day so far.
It's nice to just sit down and talk for a while too.
Definitely. Shopping is more fun when you take breaks like this.
I also like watching people walk by. There's always something interesting to see.
True. This mall is like a small city on its own.
Okay, let's go to the food court.
There are so many choices here. I don't know what to pick.
What do you feel like eating?
I'm in the mood for something spicy.
There's a noodle shop over there that smells really good.
Let's check the menu before we order.
They have noodles, fried rice, and dumplings.
Let's get the spicy noodles. I want to try something new.
Sounds good to me. I'll order for us.
Thanks. I'll go find us a table while you order.
Good idea. Try to find one near the window if you can. Hi, can I get one spicy noodle bowl and one fried rice, please?
Sure. Anything to drink?
Just 2 waters, please.
Okay, that will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you. Could I have a receipt as well?
Of course. Here you go. Please have a seat, and we'll bring your food to your table.
Thank you so much.
This smells amazing.
I know. I'm really hungry now.
Let's share this dessert too.
Good idea. I saw a small dessert shop earlier.
After lunch, let's get something sweet.
Sounds perfect. I already know what I want.
The noodles taste even better than they smell.
Mine too. This fried rice is really good.
I'm full. That was really good.
Me too. This was a great lunch, and the noodles were really tasty.
Should we still get that dessert, or are we too full?
Let's get a small one. There's always room for dessert.
We had a great day today.
I really enjoyed today. We found so many nice things.
Look at all these shopping bags.
I know. My feet are really tired now.
Mine too. I think we walked around the whole mall.
Let's check the receipts before we go, just to make sure everything is right.
Good idea. Everything looks fine.
Great. I'm happy with everything we bought today.
This was a really good shopping day.
Let's come here again sometime.
Definitely. Maybe next month when we need something new again.
I can't wait to go home and relax now.
Same here. My feet need a rest too.
Thanks for coming with me today, Leo.
Of course. I always enjoy spending the day with you.
Let's head home then.
Sounds good. Do you need help carrying any of these bags?
I think I can manage, but thanks for offering.
All right. Let's find a taxi outside the entrance.
Good idea. It's been a long day and I'm ready to sit down.
Thanks for spending the whole day shopping with me.
Anytime. I always have a good time when we do this together.
Same here. Let's plan our next shopping trip soon.
Sounds like a plan. Have a good night, Leo. Thanks again for today.
Great job! Today you learned useful English for shopping at the mall. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time!